The future FP&A team will not be judged by how many spreadsheets it maintains. It will be judged by how quickly it turns data into decisions. AI changes the role of FP&A. Less manual reporting, more driver analysis, less copy-paste, more scenario planning, less time formatting slides, more time influencing strategy. This is the faceless CFO. Today, how CFOs build an AI-powered FP&A team. Not a team replaced by AI, a team amplified by AI. First, define the new FP&A operating model. Traditional FP&A collects data, builds reports, explains variances, updates forecasts, and prepares decks. AI-powered FP&A designs workflows that automate the repetitive parts and elevate the judgment parts. The team still owns the business model. The team still owns assumptions. The team still owns recommendations. But AI helps with data preparation, commentary drafting, anomaly detection, scenario generation, and executive summaries. The AI-powered FP&A team has 5 roles: business partner, model owner, data translator, AI workflow designer, decision storyteller. The business partner understands the function. The model owner protects forecast logic. The data translator makes data usable. The AI workflow designer automates repeatable work. The decision storyteller turns numbers into choices. These roles may sit in the same person in a small company, but the capabilities must exist. Capability 1: driver-based modeling. AI can help draft assumptions, summarize trends, and generate scenarios. But FP&A must understand the drivers: leads, conversion, quota capacity, churn, utilization, gross margin, DSO, headcount productivity. AI-powered FP&A starts with driver logic, not spreadsheet maintenance. Capability 2: automated reporting workflows. FP&A should automate recurring reporting packages. Weekly KPI summaries, monthly variance commentary, quarterly forecast refreshes, board pack first drafts, business review decks. AI can draft the narrative and surface anomalies. FP&A validates, interprets, and recommends. Capability 3: scenario planning. AI helps FP&A generate scenario questions faster. What if churn rises? What if hiring delays bookings? What if gross margin falls? What if collections slow? What if pricing improves? What if sales productivity increases? But scenario planning is not about producing dozens of cases. It is about identifying the few scenarios leadership must understand before making decisions. Capability 4: business partnering. AI can summarize data, but FP&A must influence humans. That means FP&A needs commercial judgment, communication skill, and operating knowledge. The best FP&A partners do not just send dashboards. They ask better questions. They help leaders understand trade-offs. They challenge weak assumptions. They recommend resource allocation. AI gives them more time to do that. Capability 5: data governance. AI-powered FP&A depends on trustworthy data. Revenue definitions, customer definitions, ARR definitions, department mapping, cost categories, headcount data, CRM hygiene, billing data. If the data is inconsistent, AI will scale confusion. The CFO must make data governance part of FP&A's mandate. Now the AI FP&A workflow stack: data ingestion, data validation, driver model, scenario engine, narrative generation, dashboard summary, decision memo, action tracker. Each layer should have an owner and a review step. AI is not a black box. It is a workflow layer. How should a CFO start? Start with one recurring FP&A process. Monthly variance commentary is a strong first use case. Take actuals, budget, forecast, prior month, and KPI drivers. Use AI to draft first-pass commentary. Have FP&A validate and improve it. Measure time saved and quality improvement. Then move to forecast refresh, board pack, and scenario planning. Build momentum from useful pilots. The FP&A team needs new skills: prompt design, data literacy, workflow design, business partnering, scenario thinking, storytelling, controls, and governance. The CFO should train FP&A not only on tools, but on how to think in systems. Where does data come from? Who owns it? What can AI draft? What must a human approve? What decision does the output support? The CFO should also update FP&A's scorecard. Do not measure only report deadlines. Measure forecast accuracy, cycle time reduction, decision support quality, business partner satisfaction, scenario turnaround time, reduction in manual reporting hours, number of automated workflows adopted, impact on margin, cash, or resource allocation. AI-powered FP&A should prove business impact. The governance rules are simple. Do not use unmanaged AI for sensitive financial data. Do not let AI-generated analysis go to executives without review. Do not let AI change assumptions without owner approval. Do not use outputs without source traceability. Do not confuse automation with accountability. AI can draft. FP&A owns the answer. The mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Treating AI as a tool project instead of an operating model change. Mistake 2. Automating reports nobody uses. Mistake 3. Skipping data governance. Mistake 4. Overwhelming the team with too many pilots. Mistake 5. Using AI to generate more dashboards instead of better decisions. Mistake 6. Failing to train FP&A on storytelling and business partnering. Mistake 7. Not measuring time saved or decision impact. Mistake 8. Assuming AI replaces judgment. The AI-powered FP&A team will be smaller in manual work and bigger in influence. It will spend less time collecting data and more time challenging assumptions, less time formatting slides and more time framing decisions, less time explaining what happened and more time shaping what happens next. That is the future. Not AI instead of FP&A. AI-powered FP&A. That is how CFOs build the finance team of the future. If this helped, hit subscribe. New videos every Tuesday and Friday. Drop a comment. Which FP&A workflow should AI automate first? Variance, forecasting, board packs, dashboards, or scenarios? Next video. How CFOs use AI agents to manage finance operations.